Katawan mo ay aking kukumutan, mga problema ay iyong malilimutan. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim, huwag mong pigilin kung nais magpaluha. Pakiramdam mo sana'y guminhawa. Kung gusto mo ay magsigarilyo muna, habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Ito na ang pinakahihintay natin. Ito na tayo magkayakap sa dilim. Okay, sarap ng mga nakaw na sandali, habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Ito na ang pinakahihintay natin. Ito na tayo magkayakap sa dilim. Okay, sarap ng mga nakaw na sandali, habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Halika na at sumipig na sa kama. Lasapin natin sarap ng pagsasama. Sa ating pag-ibig tayo ay umasa, habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim.
Maayong gabi, Kamigin! What's up? Ako po si Jake Ersito at ako po ay natutuwa at nagagalak na nandito ako sa Kamigin ngayon. First time ko po dito sa Kamigin at sayang nga overnight lang ako dito. Alam ko maraming pwedeng gawin, diving, maraming masasarap na pagkain. So sana next time makabalik ako at mas mapahaba pa yung pagstay ko dito sa Kamigin. But before anything else, I would like to thank, of course, si Governor XJ and Ma'am Ria. Thank you so much for having me. Congressman JJ and Ma'am Baby. Vice Governor Dandan and Ma'am Ruth. Mayor EG and Ma'am Nikki. And Cap PD and Sir Eves. Thank you so much po for having me. Again, happy Lanzones Festival po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa pag-welcome sa akin dito po sa napakaganda ninyong isla. Pero di ba, kung magandang isla, I'm sure marami din magagandang babae dito. Ha? Marami ba? Pero, ang tanong ko is, marami bang magagandang single na babae? Ha? Parang dito marami, doon. Wala masyado mga taken na? Ha? Saan? Baka meron akong pwedeng makasama. Ha? Sino single? Meron ba single dyan? Ha? Sino pwede? Halika na. Picture daw eh. What's your name?
Christine.
Christine, okay. Okay lang ba? Sure ka single ka, ha? Baka mamaya, mabash ako online. Ha? Music, please.
Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Must be love at first sight. You were just part of a dream, nothing more, so it seems. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it a time, just a little more time. We'll be together. With a little smile, a special smile, a twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it a time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. Think that I love you more, so much stronger than before. Why does it seem like a dream? So much more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. With just one smile you take my breath away. So hold me close, stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. With a little smile, a special smile, a twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I.
You. Picture. Thank you, Christine. Palakpakan natin si Christine. Alright. Guys, hindi naman ako marunong magbisaya, but I prepared something special for you guys. Kung alam niyo yung kanta, dito nga ako, parang hindi niyo nakikita dito eh. If you know the song, sana sabayanin niyo ako. Music, please.
Hinday, tagasad ko gamay. Basiniwala ka bantay ba? Di na akong ikuha sa imong pagkabaiter. Mula kaskulon, mag-uran ng lyrics. Sa missing Filemon, mauning akong kanta. Para si Moha, I go travel halfway around the world for my morena girl. Mauning akong awit, di-di-di-di-di, papipiri, matuko forever. 'Cause I
someone just like her, my morena girl, my morena, my morena girl, my morena. I know di ko original stock, but whenever you say, hey Jake,
I feel like
say
saying
nahigugma ko ni mo. Whenever my blue moon I see you, maski pagbeat ng kasing-kasing, wishing you could love me too. Mauning na kanta, para si Muha. I'd go and travel halfway around the world for my morena girl. Mauning na kong awit, papiriri, papipiri, matog ko forever. 'Cause I'm someone just like her. I kahit love man ko Bisaya, Tungkong traffic sa Mandawi, ano bang makita ka? Mag-abot ta sa Fuente, mag-ginabot man o magsuslobuwa. At tontay ka, maunin akong kanta, para si Muha. I go and travel halfway around the world for my morena girl. Maunin akong awit, papiriri, papipiri, matuko forever. 'Cause I have someone just like her, my morena girl, my morena, my morena girl, my morena, ooh, my morena girl, my morena, my morena girl, my morena. I love my morena girl. Salamat kayo, Kamigin. Thank you very much. Gov, maraming salamat po. And to all the contestants, good luck po. May the best team win. Congratulations in advance. Maraming salamat po.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. How about a big round of applause to Jake Ejercito?